Coronavirus vaccine latest update: Oxford vaccine found safe in early trials, triggers immune system response. COVID-19, the highly infectious novel coronavirus, is spreading at a record rate globally as the number of positive coronavirus infections is inching closer to the 15 million mark as of the 20th of July. The world has put a determined front to contain the spread of the contagion, which has caused more than 6 lakh fatalities worldwide. The good news amidst all the chaos is that out of the 155+ vaccine candidates in various stages of trials, 3 vaccines have reached the Phase 3 clinical trials. Now, latest result shows that Oxford's coronavirus vaccine candidate triggers immune response. The much-awaited result of Phase 1/2 trials of the Oxford University's vaccine candidate AZD1222 has just been released, and it just might be the first piece of good news in 2020. The results have been published in the medical journal The Lancet. It has reinstated the earlier media reports which cited that Oxford's vaccine candidate is fit for human use and develops protective immunity in the body of the volunteers. As per the latest update, Richard Horton, the editor of the UK-based science journal The Lancet, noted that the vaccine is safe, well-tolerated, and immunogenic. He also underlined that the results were extremely encouraging. How was Oxford's coronavirus vaccine developed? The vaccine candidate was developed within 3 months by the Jenner Institute of the Oxford University and has been made using the genetic material of the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2 combined with weakened version adenovirus. Adenoviruses actually cause common cold in chimpanzees. What is the Phase 3 human trial? For the unversed, Stage 3 of clinical trials, or human trials, is where medical experts and scientists dose thousands of volunteers with the vaccine candidate to understand if the vaccination provides active protection against the coronavirus. This is the final stage trial done just before getting approval from the regulatory authorities to launch the vaccine for mass usage. As of now, vaccine candidates developed by the University of Oxford, Chinese company Sinopharm and Chinese pharmaceutical giant Sinovac have reached the Phase 3 of human trials. Promising result of Oxford vaccine's Phase 1 trials released on The Lancet. Touted as one of the frontrunners in the race to develop a vaccine fit for human use, Oxford University's vaccine candidate has been in the news recently owing to various media reports, which claim that the potential vaccine has shown extremely promising results in its Phase 1 trials. While the researchers and developers of the AstraZeneca-backed potential vaccine did not comment on the media reports doing rounds, the Lancet Medical Journal published the data of Phase 1 trial of Oxford and AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine candidate, AZD1222, on the 20th of July. The results were found to be extremely promising, and the vaccine candidate has been deemed fit for human use. Oxford vaccine can provide double protection against the coronavirus, says report. The UK drug maker AstraZeneca has been given the license to produce Oxford's potential coronavirus vaccine. Additionally, there have been reports that the vaccine developed by Oxford's Jenner Institute has shown extremely promising results in the development of protection against the virus. The reports maintain that the researchers at Oxford University are hopeful of the vaccine's success as it is shown to trigger the production of both the protective antibodies and killer T cells in the body. The development of T cells in the volunteers by the AZD1222, which are known to last much longer in the human body after contracting the virus, comes as a sigh of relief. This is because recent studies have found that the protective antibodies produced in the survivors of COVID-19 started waning after just 3 months, which could prove to be a big roadblock in the development of a vaccine for coronavirus. The potential vaccine by Oxford is one of at least 100 being developed across the world for COVID-19, which has infected more than 14 million people worldwide and killed at least 606,206, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. At least 23 of the vaccines are already in human trials, according to the World Health Organization. While the results declared today are from Phase 1 of the trials, Phase 2 testing is already underway in the UK and Phase 3 testing on volunteers in Brazil is also taking place. Hopefully we will have vaccines that can be applied to humans soon in 2020. Thank you for watching. Please leave your opinion in the video comment. Do subscribe to our channel to receive more useful videos about health.